guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today we will create a neon sign from scratch in Adobe Photoshop. Guys, it's super easy. So let's start. I have opened Adobe Photoshop and also I have created my simple document. Of course, guys, as usual, you can create your document in any size you like. Today I will be using black background for my project. If you notice, guys, on the left side of my screen, I have opened PixelScript plugin with all my 3D models I downloaded from PixelScript plugin. All these models are ready to use. So, guys, we don't need to create anything from scratch. I will click on my first model I would like to work with today. I will rotate it directly from PixelScript plugin and I will resize it, make it bigger. And maybe I will reposition it, let's see. Yes, and I will reposition it slightly to the left. Now, guys, I will specify that I don't need shadow in my 3D object because in this case shadow will be not visible, but I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution. So I will switch from low to high resolution. Let me zoom in. Now, I will click on horizon type tool, and I will type open. We are open for our tutorials. Using the move tool, I will reposition it anywhere I like, maybe in the middle. Perfect. And I will duplicate this layer twice. So now I have three text layers. I will rename first layer number 1, second layer to number 2, and third layer to number 3, just like this. I will hide my two text layers, and I have highlighted my third layer, top layer, and time to have fun. So with highlighted top layer, text layer, I will click on a paperclip style in Styles panel. Let's see what paperclip color I would like to use. I will use yellow paperclip, just like this. Look at this, guys, how awesome is it? Now, I will highlight my second type layer. I will bring visibility of this layer back. In the same styles panel, I will click on, let's see, green gel with drop shadow, and voila, we have our neon sign. But we are not done yet. I will highlight my first text layer. I will bring visibility of this layer back, and I will click on, let's see where I will click. Maybe I will click on a green gel with drop shadow, just like that. And voila, guys, our sign is ready. Now, I would like to apply the final step. I will highlight my top layer, my third text layer. I will click on adjustment panel. Here, guys, I will click on exposure, and I will bring exposure down, just like this. And because, guys, Photoshop is so awesome, Photoshop knows that I would like to apply my adjustment as separate a layer because I would like to have full control over my adjustment layer. And Photoshop applies a new adjustment layer with a layer mask. I will highlight adjustment layer mask. I will switch foreground color to black. I will click on gradient tool. I will specify that I would like to use foreground to transparent gradient, radial gradient. And I will bring opacity of my gradient tool to, let's see, 215. And I will paint out this part of my adjustment layer, just like this. Now, to make it more awesome, I will increase opacity of my gradient tool to 83, and I will paint out more area next to open word, just like this. And now we have our perfect neon sign we created from scratch in Adobe Photoshop. So, guys, thank you so much for being with me. Super appreciated your time, super appreciated your support. If you have any questions, just ask. I'm here. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.